You struggle to find yourself a work to do only for you to get a job and you find out that you can't even manage the money you are being given as salary, because guess what, at the end of the day you have to buy food. When I talk about food, I'm talking about breakfast, lunch. You have to buy clothes for yourself, you have to look presentable when you go to work, you have to pay for transport as well. I know this happens to a lot of people, and that's the reason why I'm here, to help you able to manage your money using ChatGPT. So for those of you who are new here, I am Bracy and I talk about faith, lifestyle. I do vlogs, a little bit of business here and there, and everything little in between. I'm going to be having the screen here so that we all do follow. I usually don't text on ChatGPT because ChatGPT to feel my emotions when I want help from it. When you go to ChatGPT, you just click on record. There is this record button here, so you just click on it. So you be like, I want you to help me to manage my salary. Then in terms of savings as well. So at the end of the month, let's say I earn 2,000. Let's use 2,000 as your basic salary. I earn 2,000, and this is how I spend it. I'm a Christian, so I pay 1/10 of my salary as tithe. Also save, buy myself skincare, body care products. I also do my hair as well. At the end of the day, I also buy airtime, just use some as miscellaneous in case of anything. Basically, that is that. So savings, airtime. I also buy myself food, breakfast and lunch as well. So I also buy myself food. That's very, very necessary because you need it to survive in order to work. So that's very, very necessary. So I buy myself food, that is breakfast and lunch, savings, airtime, um, miscellaneous savings. Okay, I want you to save most of the money that I have for me. Okay, yeah, break it down for me. Okay, in order to know how I can manage my finance. Okay, so we wait for ChatGPT to send us. So I'm going to be having it on the screen as said earlier so that we all follow what I'm doing. So ChatGPT says, got you. Let's create a clean, realistic, and Christian-friendly financial plan for someone earning 2,000 per month in Ghana, with tithes, savings, and skincare, food, transport, airtime, hair, and miscellaneous included. So ChatGPT is saying 2,000 monthly salary budget breakdown. So first of all, I'm paying tithes. After everything, you have to calculate to see if the amount that is being written down tallies that 2,000. So number one is tight. Tight is 200 cedis. Your first fruits, this one is fixed. Is fixed because I made mention that I do pay 1/10 of whatever that I earn at the end of the month as tight. And then the priority is saving. So ChatGPT is saying I should save 600 cedis. That's 30 to 35% of my savings. And then this goes into emergency savings, business reinvestment, and long-term goals. And then food. ChatGPT is saying that I should spend both with breakfast and lunch 400 cedis. So it says daily meals are important. So 400 means you spend around 20 daily for 20 work days. So mix of home prepared meals and then buying outside. So ChatGPT is giving you options. It's either you prepare food from the house to work or you buy outside once in a while. I prefer cooking from the house to my workplace, but just that sometimes you don't get time to do all of that. So once in a while you can also do takeouts. Yeah. He's saying skincare. When it comes to skincare, he says I should spend 150 Ghana cedis on skincare. So he says body wash, lotion, skincare essentials. Hair, ChatGPT is saying I should spend 100 cedis on hair. I should spend 100 cedis on hair. And then that's braids, wig maintenance, and basics salon care. And then with airtime, ChatGPT is saying I should spend 80 Ghana cedis on airtime. I use Airtel Tigo, and I know why I'm saying I use Airtel Tigo, and the subscriptions are very, very budget friendly. So I think this is good. The 80 cedis is good. And then miscellaneous is 120 cedis. So this covers unexpected things like transport when needed, small emergencies, gifts, work related items. Yeah. I'm not saying something bad should happen, but at least you should have money aside in order for you to be able to sort yourself out if there are unexpected happenings. Yeah. So ChatGPT is saying that will be 1,650 our transport to it. And let's say my transport is 35 cedis at the end of the day. Okay, daily transport is 35 cedis, so add it to it. So let's wait for ChatGPT to add the transport to it, and then let's do the calculation here. I forgot. The tithe is 200, which is fixed, as I said earlier. Transport is 770 cedis. Food is 350. So ChatGPT has reduced the food. Savings is 400. Skincare is 100 cedis. Hair is 80 cedis. Airtime and data has been reduced to 60 cedis. And miscellaneous has been reduced to 40 cedis. So in all, ChatGPT is saying is 2,000. But first of all, let me have that calculation done myself and see if ChatGPT is not lying. 770 plus 350 and 400, 350 and 400 plus 180 60 40, 180 60 40. So yeah, it's true. ChatGPT was right. It's 2,000 cities. But let me know in the comment section if this this is going to be okay for you, for those of you who are earning 2,000. But this is just to cite an example. Okay, whichever salary that you earn at the end of the month, you can talk to ChatGPT about it and definitely going to help you. So if you are earning less, or even with the 2,000, then you should know that your 9 to 5 is not only going to, is not, might not sustain you, okay, at the end of the month. So you have to get a side hustle. This is just an advice, a friendly advice, okay? Because if you are looking at this, you'd definitely have to save, because you don't know what might happen in the future. So you definitely have to save for your own good. Okay. So if you are doing all this and you feel like I'm still finding it difficult to work around this, then my sister, my brother, it's time for you to get a side hustle. Okay, it's time for you to get a side hustle. Yeah. So basically, that is it. This is to tell you that if you are finding any difficulty in your finance, just put it in this app, and it's really, really going to help you. It's going to help you. Then is if you are disciplined, because I've used ChatGPT so many times when it comes to my finance, and it has really worked for me. It means that at the end of the month, if you are saving 400 cedis, then it means at the end of the month you are going to be saving 4,800. It's not really good. Yeah, as I said again, this is just a friendly advice. I feel like you should have a side business when it comes to when you are earning something like this, in order for you to be able to live comfortably. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope I was able to help you with your finance. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy watching this kind of video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.